Anchor Pop Street. Around 344 pala to, guys. Oh, it's unlimited.
Yes, unlimited.
Unlimited, thank you so much. Oh my God. Grabe yung ilaw dito, oh. Kabilaan. Grabe. The drinking culture.
Traveler?
Ako lang to. Ako yan yung gusto ko. Guys, kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Cambodia. So, nag-Angkor Wat tour tayo today. Panoorin nyo lang sa ibang vlog. And we will end our last night here in Cambodia dito sa may Pop Street. So guys, this is a 10-day Indochina trip. Nagsimula ang tour natin, DIY tour sa Vietnam, sumunod Cambodia, and then bukas Thailand naman tayo. So kung kayo mag-abroad or mag-travel in the Philippines or any part of the world, you can book your hotels and activities via Klook and use my promo code DaveGinoKlook para maka-discount. Sharing. So I'm with my friends. Hanap ko ng kainan na nirecord ng aming tour guide sa Angkor Wat tour kanina. Let's go! Alright, guys, share ko lang. Usually yung menu tapos yung pricing doon in dollars, in USD. So 1 USD equivalent to 4 real. 4,000 real. 4,000 real. So ayun, tulad dito sa restaurant, naka in dollars. Generally, mas mura yung Vietnam. Pero pag shopping, yung mga pampasalubong dito, mas mura. My God. So ito yung reco sa atin ng ating tour guide, Khmer Kitchen. Wow. Spring rolls. Macy for sopaw. Wow.
My goodness, crop top mo
For the baby. Magkano yan?
$243.
$243?
Oh, di pa nasa.
Uy, barato na. Cute.
150, 200. I said, but tag 100 each.
100 each. Cute. I love the vibe of this restaurant. Is this only rice?
Only rice.
Only rice?
Unlimited. He can ask for a refill again.
Can I ask for a refill again? Oh, it's unlimited.
Yes, unlimited.
Unlimited. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Guys, unlimited.
Sulit na.
Sulit talaga. My gosh. Look.
Hindi siya mahal.
Thank you for our last supper.
Savory.
Wow. This is a Cambodian dish. Lok-lok. Beef dong bestseller. Sarap.
Ay, iba mo.
Around 344 pala to, guys. Okay. May mga massage sa area. Mapamassage ka? Ito, guys. Near the Pop Street. Dito yung mga party bars. Anchor Pop Street. Tara. Tomb Raider, Angelina Jolie. Naging sikat daw talaga yung Pop Street after palabas yung Tomb Raider, na kung saan naging filming spot yung pinuntahan natin kaninang temple. Ang cool lang ano, ng mga sumasabit na parang mga lanterns. Dito may mga kainan, inuman. Okay na, with $75, less than 58. Ox na. Grabe yung ilaw dito, oh. Kabilaan. Horse pub ba to? Tapos sa dulo pharmacy. Pansin ko iba't ibang cuisines at kinds of restaurant. May Mexican, may Thai. Iba-iba lang. Ito Western. Cool. So ito yung nalakaran natin. This is the Pop Street. Ito cool. May pakutsa si Mayor.
You want you? Traveler?
Ako lang to. Ako lang to. Kumusta kayo? Sorry.
Buying ito.
Cutie. Ako yan yung gusto ko. Uy, gusto mong sumama sa Thailand. Grabe! The drinking culture. Amazing! Wow! Cool! Interesting din ang nightlife ng Siem Reap, no? First time ko makakita ng yung ganong klase ng inuman. Makulay sa kalsada. Yun. Eh, nakita naman natin kung gaano ka-loud yung pop street nila. Although hindi ganun karami compared sa Vietnam na experience natin sa Ho Chi Minh, sa Bui Vien. But it's nice. Maybe because it's Sunday, may pasok bukas. And yun, ito yung gusto natin ginagawa kapag ng ibang bansa gusto kong silipin yung nightlife ng isang bansa. And I find the nightlife of Cambodia or Siem Reap really interesting. And sana kung may additional night tayo dito, nag-party na kami ngayon. Sasama ka ba if ever?
Yes!
Nag-enjoy yan sa Ho Chi Minh. Nakakaloka. Pero yeah, yun, I'll miss you, Cambodia. It was a short but an amazing, a unique, historical, a very interesting trip here in Cambodia. See you guys sa Thailand. Okay, bye bye. Dave, the Creepy Traveler. Let's live our best lives.